Hi students, welcome to VBM Mathematics classes. Today I am going to discuss the shortcuts in the maximum minima, which is the application of the derivative. Shortcuts we can apply in the mains. Now let us see the shortcut one. If x plus y is equal to k, first one p is equal to x to the power of m, y to the power of n is a maximum, then x is equal to mk by m plus n, y is equal to nk by m plus n. Now here how we get x and y? This y is equal to k minus x. Substitute here. This becomes single variable in terms of x. Maximum or minimum. First derivative equal to 0. Then you will get the x. X right here we get the y. Now here how we remember? This is for x. The x exponent m into k by sum of the degrees. Y is equal to y degree n into k by sum of the degrees m plus n. Now second one, same x plus y is equal to k. If x to the power of m, y to the power of m, or x to the power of minus m, y to the power of minus m is a minimum, then x and y both will be equal. Now if x is equal to y here, x will be k by 2, y will be k by 2, k by 2 plus k by 2 will be the k. That's why x is equal to y is equal to k by 2. See the next example, the same formula. F is a given x power 25, 1 minus x whole to the power of 75 is a maximum in the interval 0 to 1. X lies between 0 and 1. Why? Because this 1 minus x positive number, x is a positive number. Then what about the value of x? Now here also we can apply the same formula. If we are writing into x power 25, this 1 minus x consider y power 75. And this they are telling this maximum. Okay, then what about the x plus y? This x is x only and this y nothing but 1 minus x, therefore we got 1. Therefore x plus y is equal to we got 1. 1 is the k according to this formula. X plus y is equal to k we got 1. Now this m is a 25 and n is a 75. Therefore x will be what? By using this formula, x exponent is a 25, m into k by this m into k by m plus n. Y is equal to n into k by m plus n. Now same here, x is equal to that x degree m into k, 25 into 1 by m plus n, 25 plus 75. Therefore, this is 25 by 100, this is a 1 by 4. Therefore, this implies x is equal to 1 by 4. See that this is a very easy to apply this formula. Previous year mains problem. Therefore, now in the mains we can apply shortcuts which are related to this formula. Now, next problem on this. Maximum rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius r given, then its dimension area is what? One circle we are taking, rectangle inscribed in this circle, dimensions let us consider x comma y, and this radius is given, therefore this r, this is also r. Now in this is a rectangle triangle, x square plus y square is equal to 4r square. Now maximum rectangle means area is maximum. Rectangle area, side into side, x into y. If area is maximum, area square also maximum. Okay. Same formula, x plus y is equal to k and x into y, this is a maximum. Therefore, x means x square is equal to k. This degree is what? Degree 1. 1 into k, 1 into 4r square by 1 plus 1. Y square is equal to degree 1 into k, 1 into 4r square by 1 plus 1. Therefore, x square is equal to 2r square, y square is equal to 2r square. X is equal to root 2r, y is equal to root 2r. Therefore, dimensions of the rectangle are root 2r comma root 2r. That x is equal to y we got. And what is the area? area, this is a x into y, that is a root 2r into root 2r, that is a 2r square. Therefore, in this also we applied this formula. Now let us see third example on this same formula. Here perimeter of a rectangle is given 4, then the maximum area of the rectangle. Now this is a rectangle, we are drawing rectangle. This is a length breadth. What about the given there? The perimeter of the rectangle is given 4. What is the perimeter of this one? X plus y plus y. Therefore, the perimeter is 2x plus 2y. How much they given? That is a 4. Now, what about x plus y? That is equal to 2. Now, x plus y is equal to k. Given like x plus y is equal to k, k is equal to 2. They are asking the maximum area. Area formula, the length into breadth, x into y. This is the area. Now, this is a m is a 1 and n is also 1. Therefore, this is a maximum. Therefore, x will be m is a 1 and n is a 1. Substitute here, x is equal to k by 2, y is equal to k by 2. M is equal to 1 and n is also 1. By using this formula, x is k by 2, y is k by 2. X is what? This is a k is what? 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 2, that is a 1. Y is equal to 2 by 2, that is a 1. X1, Y1 we got. Therefore, maximum area A is equal to length into breadth x into y, 1 into 1, 1 square units. Therefore, this is the area of the triangle. By using this formula, let us see sum of the two numbers is 24 and product of the one number, cube of the other number is maximum. Then what are the two numbers? X, y, let us consider two numbers. X plus y is equal to 24. 24 is the k. And what they given? P is equal to one number product and cube of the other number, y power 3. This is a maximum. Now, according to this one, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 3. Therefore, x will be equal to mk, 1 into k, 24 by m plus n. Sum of the exponents, 1 plus 3, 6 we got. And y is equal to y exponent 3 into 24 by using this formula by m plus n, 1 plus 3. Now, this is a 6 into 3, 18 we got. Therefore, those two numbers are 6, 18. Now, here m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 3. Now, see the second shortcut. Here, p is equal to a square sec square theta, b square cosec square theta is minimum when tan theta is equal to under root of b by a, and the minimum value of p is equal to a plus b whole square. Now, how we get this solution? Now, this is in terms of theta variable. Differentiate for maximum or minimum, then you will get the root, the tan theta is equal to root of b by a, right? Therefore, tan theta is equal to root of b by a, it has minimum. Now, that minimum value of this one is a plus b whole square. Now, sec theta here and cosec theta here, substitute minimum value of this one, that is a plus b whole square. Now, see the example on this. Least length of the portion of tangent to this ellipse at any point drawn between the axes is how much? That length will be the a plus b according to this formula. Now, here let us, this is the ellipse and at any point p theta, a cos theta comma b sin theta. At this point, draw the tangent to this one. What is the tangent equation at any point? Tangent equation for the ellipse at the point a cos theta comma b sin theta is x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b is equal to 1. Now how we get this x-intercept? This what about this OA? For x-intercept, the y-coordinate is 0. The y-coordinate 0 right here, that x-intercept is what? A by cos theta. This is a sec theta. And this OB y-intercept, put x-coordinate 0. Y-intercept OB, put x-coordinate 0. If you write x-coordinate 0, we get this y-intercept. Now that OB y-intercept is, put x-coordinate 0 here, it becomes 0. Y will be b by sin theta. That is the y-intercept. B cosec theta we got. Okay. Now we want this portion AB. That AB length is equal to AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Okay. Now AB square minimum is what? AB square minimum is minimum of OA square is what? A square sec square theta. OB is what? B square cosec square theta. Now what about the A square sec square theta, B square cosec square theta? Minimum is what? A plus B whole square. Now this is A plus B whole square. Now minimum of this AB square we got A plus B whole square. Then what will be this minimum? That the minimum of AB is square root of this one, that is A plus B we got. Therefore in this problem we are applying this formula. Now let us see one more problem. Now see that the greatest distance of the normal to the ellipse drawn at any point on this ellipse from the origin is what? Now at any point means consider P is A cos theta comma B sin theta. What is the equation of normal? This normal equation is ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to A square minus B square. This is a normal equation. A sec theta into x minus B cosec theta into y is equal to A square minus B square we got. Now what is the distance of the normal from the origin? They are asking this distance. Distance from origin, that is a mod constant by modulus of A square minus B square by under root of x coefficient square A square sec square theta y coefficient square B square cosec square theta. Now we want this distance maximum. This is a distance D. Now this maximum, this is equal to A square minus B square by the root of A square mod A square minus B square by, for denominator minimum, that number will be the maximum. Denominator must be the minimum. The maximum means this denominator is minimum of A square sec square theta B square cosec square theta. What is the minimum of B square sec square theta B square cosec square theta? A plus B whole square. Right here A plus B whole square, square root is A plus B. Therefore we got mod A square minus B square by A plus B we got. That is A minus B into A plus B modulus by modulus of A plus B got mod A minus B. Example on the same formula. Third example, the least distance from the origin to any point on the curve. Now how we consider any point on this? I am taking the A sec theta comma B cosec theta. Now if we keep here, it is satisfied. Now what they are asking, distance of this any point from the origin. So somewhere origin is there, from origin to this P point. Distance OP is equal to under root of A square sec square theta plus B square cosec square theta. Is it okay? Now already we know the minimum of this one, that the minimum is A plus B whole square. Therefore OP minimum OP distance minimum is equal to minimum of this one. The minimum of a square sec square theta, b square cosec square theta. What is the minimum of this one? That is a plus b whole square. We get the a plus b. That is the minimum of this one. Now see the next one. P equal to a sec theta, b cosec theta. This has minimum at tan theta is equal to b by a whole to the power of 1 by 3. And the minimum value of P is equal to a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Very simple. For maximum or minimum, first derivative we equate to 0. Then find the derivative of this equate to 0. You will get tan theta is b by a whole to the power of 1 by 3. Power 1 by 3 tan theta opposite by adjacent. Now from this we write the sec theta. Sec theta is under root of a power 2 by 3, b power 2 by 3 by a power 1 by 3. Cosec theta is b power 1 by 3 by under root of a power 2 by 3, b power 2 by 3. That is a cosec theta. See here, after this one, sec theta right here and cosec theta right here, simplify. Its minimum is a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, now where we apply this formula, let us see. Example on this. A line passing through 8 comma 27 meets the axis in capital A comma capital B. Then the minimum length AB. Then what is the minimum length AB? This is a line passing through 8 comma 27 meets the axis, positive axis at A and B. Then what is the minimum length AB? Now this angle I am taking theta. Now from this point draw this perpendicular. This is a 27. And here draw the horizontal line. This is nothing but the x coordinate 8 we got. And here theta, here also same angle will be there. Okay. And this from this point let us consider P. Now this is a AP, let us consider X, and PB let us consider Y. In this triangle, what is a sin theta? Sin theta is 7 by X. Therefore this implies X will be 27 into cosec theta, sec theta. Now AB length is equal to x plus y. AB length x plus y. Now x is equal to how much? 27 cosec theta. And what is y? That is 8 sec theta. Now what they are asking, this minimum they are asking. Minimum of this. If this minimum we want. What is the minimum of this? B is the 27 and A is the 8 we got. That answer is A is a 2 cube power 2 by 3, B power 2 by 3, B is what? 3 cube power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Now here 4 and 3 square is a 9 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Therefore 13 power 3 by 2, that is the minimum of this AB. Therefore minimum length AB we got 13 power 3 by 2. Now see that a rectangular sheet of metal A by B centimeters, 4 equal squares removed at 4 corners, and then sides are folded to form the open box. If the volume of the box is maximum, then what is the depth of the box? So this is a metal sheet here. Up to this one we have taken. Now the length of this one is A and the breadth of the metal sheet is a B. Now 4 equal squares of side X, right, removed at 4 corners. Then this is folded to form the open box. This X will be the height of the box. That's called the depth of the box. And what will be the length? Now here x is removed, here x is removed, therefore this will be the a minus 2x. Here x is removed, here x is removed. If you fold these two, this length from here to here, it will be the b minus 2x. From here to here, it will be the b minus 2x. Now this is the length of the box, this is the breadth of the box, b minus 2x. Now if you fold this one, this is the side of the square becomes the height of the box. Therefore, the length, breadth, and this is the height. What is the volume of the box? The volume of the box is the length into breadth into height. Therefore, that is a minus 2x, b minus 2x into x. Now, for maximum or minimum, find the derivative of this. Then derivative equal to 0, then x will be like this. Then if v is a maximum, then that x will be a plus b minus under root of a square plus b square minus ab by 6 we get. Now this is the height of the box. If the metal sheet is in the square form, breadth a, if they give the square sheet, that is a. Now if they give the square metal sheet of a by a, then if volume of the box is maximum, then that x will be a by 6 we will get. Using that above formula, now let us see the rectangular sheet of length 21 and breadth is 16. Now at 4 corners, 4 equal squares are removed. These are folded to form the open box. If the open box volume is maximum, then what is the depth of the box? Depth of the box x equal to a plus b minus under root of a square plus b square minus ab by 6. Now in this substitute, a is a 21, b is a 16 minus under root of 21 square minus 16 square, 21 into 16 by 6. Simplify, this answer is a 3. Therefore, that answer is a 3. By using that above formula, we can write like this. Now, one more example. This is a example 2. Here, a rectangular sheet of fixed perimeter with the sides in the ratio 8:15 is converted into the open box by folding after removing squares of equal area from all the 4 corners. If the total area removed squares is 100, the resulting maximum volume, then the dimensions of the metal sheet, that answer is 2448. This is the previous year IIT advanced problem. Here also we can apply the shortcut. Sides are in the ratio 8:15. That means if I take the length A is 8k and B is equal to 15k I am taking. What is the side of the square removed at 4 corners? Now this is a A, this is a B at 4 corners. This is a A, this is a B at 4 corners. That the square of side x is removed and the box is folded to form the box. This is a metal sheet folded to form the box. Then height of the box where the volume of the box is maximum, that x is equal to, already we know the formula, a plus b minus under root of a square plus b square minus ab by 6. Now put x is equal to, a is 8k, this is 15k minus under root of 8 square k square, 15 square k square minus 8k 15k, this by 6. X is equal to 23k minus this will be the 13k by 6. Therefore, this is a 10k by 6. Therefore, this is a 5k by 3. Therefore, x equal to, we got 5k by 3. Now here at 4 corners, total area removed is 4x square. That how much they given? That is 100. Therefore, this implies x will be the 5. Now x equal to 5, right here we get that answer. This is a x is equal to 5k by 3. X is a 5 we got, 5k by 3. Therefore, k is equal to 3 we got. Then what are the dimensions of the metal sheet? A is equal to 8k, that is 8k, k is equal to 3, 24 units. B is equal to 15k, that k is how much we got? That k is equal to 3, substitute here 15 into 3, 45 we got. Therefore, the dimensions of the metal sheet 24 comma 45. This is the not 48, that is the 45 answer. Now see that by using that formula, you can solve two problems, you can solve any problem like this. Thank you all. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.